Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's talk about us. Let's talk about community. I want to tell a parable to illustrate the things that are on my mind. Several years ago, as I was teaching a biology class, a student with different viewpoints than I repeated, "That's disinformation," from time to time. I believe at the time that we were discussing nutrition and the effects of soy on hormones, we looked up the information on a major internet search engine, and the facts were not as strong as I was representing in my public forum. I stood corrected. He was engaged in the course material. Biology topics often overlap with societal norms, politics, and money, which can be quite controversial at times. This gentleman, in effect, was admonishing me to fact check myself as I proceeded in my position of authority in the classroom. He was not disrespectful and did not overuse his questioning nature. Thank you for that. Honestly, he looked like he could have been one of my sons. Genetically, I do tend to make males taller than myself, and he was both of those. That was just an endearing thought, reflection. I don't believe he considered that it was important to agree with me personally as much as he was interested in truth. That is a treasure, and that does invite dialogue. I'm telling this story as a parable because I want you to know that I love you in my own special way, regardless of whether you agree with me. I believe it's possible for us to learn from each other. I believe fluid dialogue creates community, and that is what I want for you and me. Community.